We get lots of questions about mobile application development as more and more users are going to their phone first to be able to work within a client or utilize some of their applications. And so when we're considering how can we reduce costs, does an application really have to be native? So either Android or iOS. Years ago, that was something where development between two different code bases was pretty common. Now there are frameworks that we can utilize like React Native or Flutter or Xamarin that are going to allow you to develop one single code base that can be used across multiple platforms and be supported by a small group of developers versus ones that are going to work on a native iOS or a native Android app. The other thing to consider when developing a mobile application is how many features and how much functionality is really needed. We've seen a high degree of success about trying to build out a minimal viable product first, or an MVP. So really, let's understand what the core feature or set of features need to be within that application. Let's develop it and get it to market quickly and in the hands of those users, even if they're internal, and decide what else needs to be added or where we need to pivot to continue developing that application. This is different from really speccing out a huge project and developing from soup to nuts, and then finding that it really isn't the application that you thought you were building or needed to build because business needs have changed. Ultimately, you as the client need to determine what is actually needed in this application. And let's strip it down at the outset, determine what some of those core features and functionality really are, and start building from there. Even if it's a phased approach, early delivery and understanding what a user might want or need to have is going to allow you to have a much more flexible and agile approach to your mobile software development.